I'd like to introduce you to IBM Cloud Private, which delivers 4 key aspects required of any enterprise cloud strategy. It delivers elastic runtimes for enterprise developers, allowing them to take advantage of modern development techniques and architectures on the cloud. It delivers cloud-ready IBM middleware so that you can better manage your existing investment in IBM processes and tools right on top of the same Kubernetes environment. It delivers a production-ready operation story so that you can tie into your existing tool chains inside of your data center or leverage the built-in support for identity and access management, logging, monitoring, certificate and key management. It also delivers built-in support for continuous delivery so that developers can quickly become productive on the platform. Let's take a look at these features in the demo. Here we see the dashboard of IBM Cloud Private representing nodes, shared storage, and running applications. Let's take a look at some of the elasticity properties of the workloads. We're going to pick an application that's running Nginx, a simple reverse proxy server. Here, the stateless application defines its policies for how many replicas need to be up and running. And if we destroy one of these, we'll find that it quickly brings up a new instance to replace the lost one, allowing client applications to avoid experiencing any downtime. And this notion of how the policies are defined is simply built into the fabric of Kubernetes. This allows us to take advantage of those elastic properties we talked about earlier. Stateful sets can also take advantage of elasticity, allowing us to define the desired replicas and then to manage existing middleware like MQ, but packaged as a stateful workload in Kubernetes. Now, in this example, the MQ workload we see was actually deployed as part of our catalog. We define lots of different products that are part of the catalog out of the box for both x86 and Power platforms. And in particular, you'll see the first versions of middleware that we're delivering here, including Microservice Builder, MQ, and DB2. The PowerPC workloads allow us to run these workloads on IBM Power Platform in one heterogeneous cluster if we so choose. DB2 again is packaged in a simple to deploy fashion that allows developers to stand it up, or MQ to manage their messaging layer, again using the same simple click interface that we saw before. And of course, Microservice Builder allows us to put together all of the pieces needed for continuous delivery. So here, let's take a look at deploying a simple service. We'll deploy this into our cluster, defining 3 replicas, and it's going to create for us a stateful set, bringing up each of the different replicas for Redis in order so that any of the semantics about how Redis replicates information is actually maintained. And so what's neat about this is we're comparing stateless services with the example we saw earlier with stateful services like a caching service or the examples that we saw around DB2 or MQ. Now it's important though that delivering a cloud platform also ties in with the existing data center management techniques. And so we build in support for operations right out of the box, allowing you to provide monitoring, log collection, integration with corporate identity management tools or other, or tie into your existing systems. And as we also said, for developers, it's important that we can deliver new changes very quickly. So out of the box, the Microservice Builder package we saw in the catalog earlier allows us to stand up a ready-to-go Jenkins with an elastic worker pool, and for each commit that we delivered into our GitHub, our Jenkins service, which is also running on the platform, is building and producing new images for us, allowing them to be ready to be deployed quickly by development teams and even promoted all the way into production. Thank you for watching.